recent trends, now research is going how to control the heat in engines. Many researchers are doing in this area, but research is not solving these problems. So material research going, designing, okay, structures. So radiator is essential in engines. So observe the heat in engines. Okay.
Hello everyone, myself Ashik, and we are here to present you about a case study on how to prevent overheating in car radiators. And our teammates are Dr.V.KARTHI PS, Shakti, and Adil. And we will be presenting about how to prevent this overheating issues in the radiator and how we can enhance the efficiency and life of the particular radiator. As a mechanical engineering student, we came across many theories and laws that we have been studied in our books and other theories, where we can use the heat transfer principles and fluid dynamics and other laws of mechanical engineering that we study today. And by these all the conversions and theories, we have got a solution to prevent the heat transfer, and it will be further continued by Mohammed Adil.
So basically, why the engine is getting heated? So due to the mistake in the radiator. So we have analyzed the full cooling system like the thermostat valve and the cooling fan and the radiator. So maybe the radiator's valve may be stuck or the airflow on the radiator is low and the thermostat valve is blocked. So due to this sort of problems, there is some issue on the radiator. So to clear this, we have found a solution. Cleaning the radiator in a proper way and maintaining it in a proper way to reduce these issues in the day-to-day life. Because on day-to-day life, someone driving car means the radiator affects, if it is heated, it is affects very well the person. So that we have sorted and some solutions for this. Further it is continued by Karthik.
I am here to discuss about the further problems which are being faced by the engine and rotor tube. There were three different kinds of problems where cooling inspection, pump efficiency and airflow. Due to the airflow, the problems may be contained inside the tube, and pump efficiency where the pump is less efficiency and due to the lack of maintenance. And finally I am going to finish with the cooling system. There will be lots of lack of maintenance and rust will be found in it, and further will be continued by Dhanidharan.
So hello everyone, my name is Dhanidharan. So now we are going to see how we are going to rectify these problems in the radiators. So first, what causes the radiator to lose its efficiency? It's the formation of rust, scales and the airflow that is getting blocked because of this. So to improve the efficiency of the radiator, we can clean the radiator frequently, and we can clean all the rust and scales frequently. Regular maintenance is a very necessity to attain the maximum efficiency of the radiator. So further, we can also improve the efficiency by changing the coolant. Changing the coolant is also a very effective way to improve the efficiency of the radiator. So hereby we can easily increase the radiator efficiency, increasing the engine efficiency and thereby increasing the overall efficiency of the vehicle. Further will be continued by Adishik.
Hello, myself Shakti. As a conclusion, this overheating problem shows as a simple problem, but it requires heat transfer, fluid mechanics and material behavior. As a solution to it, it can be diagnosed with a proper maintenance and prevention actions to prevent the overheating problem in the vehicles. Thank you.
Oh, nowadays the maintenance is not control the heat because nowadays producing the more CC engines. For examples, we can take the bikes. Once upon a time, the maximum CC 100, 215 HD Rajput 30 years before. Mostly